Look at this. Look at Ford. Just came from the dealership less than an hour ago, and we're dripping transmission fluid. This is the way they gave me the vehicle, and they're okay with that. They said, "Oh, you're fine." Okay, YouTube. Just want to film this quick video on my F-150 continues to have problems. First, when we were on vacation about 5 months ago, my steering had complete failure. That was taken care of. They had replaced the whole rack and pin, and now I've been having transmission problems for several months. I took the truck into the dealer several months back, and they said it was needing transmission fluid. They topped it off. It was down by 2 quarts. They reset the computer, and it has adaptive learning, so they had to clear everything and started kind of from scratch. Took it in, and I told them it's having the same thing. First gear and fourth gear are the worst. This is a 10-speed automatic transmission, and as you're going to see here shortly in the video, this is the second time I took it in. Now, guys, I have a Ford dealership that's about maybe 2 miles away. They don't have a transmission specialist. They said, don't leave the truck with us. Take it down the road to another dealership. So I took it there, and they topped off the transmission fluid, and they said that they couldn't really dig into it for about 3 weeks. They said to come back in about 3 weeks, and they'll look into it further. I want to show you how they gave me the vehicle. They put transmission fluid in, and it's gushing it all out, guys. It's extremely dangerous. It's smoking. It could catch fire. It could be really, really slippery for someone else. For myself, check out the video. You'll see the problems that Ford is having with some of their transmission. I'm the unlucky one. I'm the one that's got one of those transmission. Second time there, they said bring it back in 3 weeks, and hopefully they'll tear it apart. I don't see this truck making it that far 3 weeks from now. All right, I just picked up this vehicle, my F-150 2018, from the dealership. This is the second time that it's been in there. It's got serious shifting transmission issues, and look at this oil just spewing out. You can see it's all there. Look at all this back there. Look how it's all went back there as I'm driving. I'm putting people and myself at danger driving with these kind of conditions. I'm not sure. They told me to come back on the 31st, and they're gonna do further diagnostic, but I can't believe they released this vehicle to me in the conditions that it's just pouring fluid out like this. I'm having shifting problem when it comes out of first gear and fourth gear. It just slams me, kicks me, pushes me. I'm paying over $65,000 for this truck, and I hate it. I hate the way it drives, the way it shifts. Look at this. Look at Ford. Just came from the dealership less than an hour ago, and we're dripping transmission fluid. This is the way they gave me the vehicle, and they're okay with that. They said, "Oh, you're fine. Come back in 3 weeks. Maybe the transmission will be sitting on the floor somewhere on the freeway, and then we'll fix it then." Just so disappointed with this. Tired of it. All right, so we made it back home, and the truck is running, and I want to see exactly where it's coming from, how far and how much of this is wet.